Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. What's up everybody? We meet again in this new episode video. So my name is Muhammad Farhan Sundarma, and how are you today? Is it good? Alhamdulillah, I'm good too. I'm doing fine. I'm just staying at home. So in this video, this time, I'm gonna teach you how to make an appetizer, which is the prawn cocktail. Okay, now let's get what's the ingredients to make a prawn cocktail. So, the next to me is the list of the recipe for prawn cocktail. Okay, on my right hand, so basically we have the prawn, lettuce, and the tomato. And in my left hand, how to make a mayonnaise? We have egg yolk, corn oil, lemon juice, white pepper, chili sauce, tomato sauce, and chili powder. Okay, so let's start cooking right now. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Let's start. Okay, this is the ingredient that have to prepare. Alright, so we are gonna start with making mayonnaise. Okay, so now I show you how to make mayonnaise homemade. But before that, you must use and have a bowl and whisk. Okay, so how to make mayonnaise homemade? First, we must put 2 egg yolk and then mix until it look like a white yellow. And then we put a bit little corn oil and continue mix the egg yolk. Okay, nextly I will show you how to make prawn cocktail. Okay, the first of all, we must remove the shrimp skin without tail. Okay, remove the piece of the brain and do same thing until end. Oh yeah, before I forgot, you must prepare 5 nose prawn or shrimp. Okay. And again, I remind you, we remove shrimp skin without tail part, and then we must remove the piece of brain. Okay, so I will show you how to remove the piece of the brain. So we tap above skin and then we remove the piece of brain. So this is a brain, so we must remove from shrimp. So this is brain. Okay, next we must season with the adisio flavor, white pepper in a bowl have shrimp. So just a little bit only. Heat the pan and then put a little bit of prawn oil. Just a little bit, okay, because we want to shrimp the shrimp. Okay, and then put the shrimp you only cook just a moment because we don't shrimp is overcooked. Flip the other side and let it cook for a while. You can lift up, left and right. Look, it's so stunning, right? And then close the gas put the shrimp on the small bowl for temporary. Okay, so last part is we are going to set up the salad. So I use 5 baby tomato. You need cut into 4 parts. 4 parts. Cut baby tomato to 4 parts. It's up to you to use any kind of salad. To me, I'm only use the standard or baby salad. And let's use a baby tomato. If you want to use ice velvet juice, you have to take a piece that roll and slice in medium size. Okay, so we continue back how to make mayonnaise homemade. So like just I said before this, we must mix egg yolk until change a white yellow, and then we squeeze a lemon juice and continue mix until change white yellow. Squeeze lemon juice again. And then we mix and put little bit white pepper. So we will put a little bit white pepper. Okay, enough. We mix again. And then we add 1 teaspoon sauce tomato, and then 1 teaspoon chili sauce. And continue mix until well. Okay, next you have add 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon only, and then you have to mix until the texture became lightly concentrate, like texture of mayonnaise. Okay, so now you can see the texture slightly and thicken. That's the texture we want. So we mix again, mix until end. So mayonnaise is done. Okay, so that's it, the way how to cook a prawn cocktail, and I hope that you guys understand what I am trying to convey, and I hope you guys can try to cook an appetizer of one cocktail at home, and maybe you can cook better than me, inshallah. So yeah, are you guys ready to see how I'm putting the prawn cocktail? And yes, I also can wait to show you too. So alright, and so the last word, and the last word, my word is happy watching. Just stay at home, not eat my head. Stay safe. Hashtag we take care ourselves, and see you guys in the next episode or the next video. So bye. Assalamualaikum.